Okay, so we are going to make a picture for Miss Alyssa for her last day you have with her on Thursday, okay?
Okay.
So, Mishti, this is an ink pad, okay? So, I need you to you need to listen carefully, very carefully. One hand in the back. Now, put your whole hand like this. Big fingers. Okay? Hold on. We're going to get lots of green paint all over your fingers, okay? I think we need more.
More.
Okay. A little bit more. Okay, let mommy help you.
Squish.
Okay. Now, hold on. There's your fingerprint or your handprint. Okay. Hold on. Wait. Swipe your hand. Okay. Now, hold on. Now, this hand. We have to push, okay?
Push.
Now, let's...
Her thumb.
Okay, now let mommy see. Now we need more paint. Big fingers. There we go.
Inky, inky, inky.
Okay. All right, now. Be careful. Wait. There we go. Don't shake your fingers. Don't move. Ready? 1, 2, 3, up. Yay!
Wow. That's a fantastic handprint.
Okay, hold on. Now we're going to do, so each finger is going to be a flower. What color do you want the middle of the flower to be? Hold on. No. Here, wipe your hands. Do you want the middle of the flower to be yellow or No. Yellow or orange?
Yellow.
Okay.
Yellow.
Okay. So now you take one finger like this. One finger. Poke. Is it yellow? It's a little bit yellow. Let's make a little bit more. Hold on. No, not all of them. Just one. Poke. One finger, yellow. Okay, now poke the finger. Hold on. Right here. See, it's yellow. Can mommy do one?
Okay.
There we go. Yellow.
Okay, Daddy will do one too. Yellow.
Right there. Yeah.
Ooh, look at that.
My turn.
Okay, now on this one, right here. Okay?
Can I do it again? I want to do it again.
You can do on the other one when we do orange.
Okay.
Okay, here. I can do that one. Okay, wipe your finger.
Yay, we did it.
We did it with yellow.
And my pink.
Well, let's do, you want pink on the inside? Or do you want orange on the inside? Let's do orange on the inside, okay? Okay, after we do the orange, we have to let it dry, okay? Okay? Oh, not the whole hand. Make a pointer. Point your finger. Right in the middle. Poke. Just your middle. Just your pointer finger. Poke.
Make it pointy.
And right. There we go.
Oh, that's beautiful.
And then hold on. There we go. 1, 2, 3. There we go. 1, 2, 3. There we go. 1, 2, 3. And there we go. Good job.
Wow.
Okay, now we let that dry, okay? Okay? Now let's go play. Actually, let's wash our hands.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Come here.
Misty, let me see your hands.
Show Daddy your hands.
It's great.
It's green. Okay.
All right, we're going to wash our hands and finish it later, okay?
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
You want purple? Okay, can I show you? Okay.
Ooh.
Purple. So this is how you make the flower, okay? Look. See? You're making the flower petals around the middle, okay? All right, baby? Okay, use your pointer finger. Yeah, just the pointer. Tuck away all your other fingers. Okay, I'm going to help you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do more. Poke.
Key, coon, tie,
There we go.
Two.
Yay!
Yay!
You want to do a blue flower?
Hi, Mishti.
The bag.
You want a brown?
Brown.
How about we do a brown bug? Okay? Yeah, we'll do a brown bug at the end.
Okay.
Do you want pink or blue?
Pink.
Okay. Mishti, do you like the pink?
Okay, point your finger. Point.
Oh,
Ready?
did you clean the pointy finger?
I did.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Is there enough paint, Daddy?
Oh yeah, it's very painty.
Okay. Slowly. Oh, we need more.
We need more. Squish, squish, squish.
Yeah. Okay. Poke. 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 And then poke.
Oh.
What happened?
Okay.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Okay, it's not really a boo boo. It's just a little ouchie. You're okay.
Okay, you want more?
White.
Huh?
White.
I don't have
Look
white.
around.
They don't have white.
Right, the paper's white already, so it won't show up.
So you want to do more pink?
Yeah, let's do more pink.
Red.
Not
Red?
red.
Mishti, is this your red dance?
This is red. The color red.
Red, red, red.
Oh, not the whole hand. Point your finger. Point and poke, 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 poke. Show mommy. Can I see? Okay. No, not like that.
Blue.
Okay. Let's do red. Then you can do blue. Point your finger.
Again.
Okay, okay. Let's make red. There we go.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yes.
Another beautiful flower.
Yellow.
You want? Let's do blue. Then you can do. Okay, we do yellow on this
We'll
one.
do yellow, but we really need to wash your. We really need to wash your fingers for this.
Okay. And these are machine washable, also. You know.
Yeah, it'll come out of the towel.
Yes.
Our post holy towel.
Ho 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 ho.
Tape.
Okay.
Tape,
Hold
yeah,
on,
it's
yeah.
tape, Misty.
That hand down, hand down.
Hand down. Leave the tape alone. It holds the paper in place so
Make
that the
your pointer
artwork will
finger.
be beautiful.
Boop, 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 boop. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Let's do some more boop, 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 boop.
More boop, boop, boop.
Boop, boop, boop. 4, 5, 6. Yay!
Cover.
Cover your
Good job.
Okay. Do you want? Oh, look at these flowers. They're so beautiful. Let's show Ba.
My colors.
I know.
Good job.
We're gonna make more flowers. Okay. We still have to do this
Come on,
hand.
high five.
Again.
High five. High five.
Hi.
Yeah, give Ba a high five.
High five.
Bug.
Okay, Brown. We're gonna do bugs. Okay. Let's finish your flowers on this hand. Okay. Oh no, not the whole hand. Here, let's scoot over a little bit. Oh, yeah. Okay. Pointer. No. Oh no, not that hand. That hose goes in the back. Point. Make a finger point. Okay. Poke. Poke. Okay.
Oh, that's a very blue finger. Okay, we need some more blue.
There we go. Blue flower. You want purple? Well, brown will be for a bug a little bit later, okay?
Yeah, we'll make like a lady.
Let's finish the flowers. Point.
Or a beetle or something.
Okay. If you're gonna use that hand, that's okay. Okay. Boop, 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 boop. Oh, we need more.
Yeah, more for the boop.
And boop, 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 boop. Good job.
Give me a boop.
You think Daddy have a boop?
Boop.
Okay. Do you want another red flower?
No, Bob.
Okay, we'll do a brown flower.
Oh, Bob.
Okay, if you insist, we'll do brown.
Point. One finger. Okay, this one. Okay, let's do more brown. Boop, 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 boop.
Heavy. Heavy, 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 heavy.
Okay. Okay. Do you want another pink one?
Oh,
What color? We have 2 more flowers.
me.
You want purple again?
Purple.
Purple? Orange? Green?
Where's green?
Here.
Oh, green was hiding.
Well, no. 1 finger.
Again.
Which one? No. We already have. We can't do it again.
Yeah, just 2 hands, sweetie.
After we make one for Miss Alyssa, you can make one for Bao, okay?
Okay, Bob.
Okay, thank you.
I know, Bob's excited. You're going to make beautiful pictures for her.
Green flower. Okay.
Yay!
Your last flower, Mishti. What color do you want? No. Which color? Last flower.
Yellow.
Yellow!
Yellow. Yes. An all yellow flower.
Yellow.
Here, point your finger. Yeah. Does this feel cool, the paint?
Again.
Again. Are you having fun, Mishti? Mishti, are you having fun?
Yes.
Yes, okay.
Me too, baby. I like doing this with you. Okay. Alrighty. Do you want to learn how to make hearts? Hearts? Okay. You want to make a caterpillar or a heart?
A paper.
A what?
A paper.
A caterpillar?
A paper.
Oh, you see paper?
Yeah, but we're using this paper, okay?
Yeah, paper.
I don't know what that means. Can I show you how to make a caterpillar?
A very hungry caterpillar.
So we're going to do a mommy one, a baby one, and a daddy one, okay?
Okay,
Okay.
So mommy's going to show you how to make it, okay?
okay.
Now, hold on. Can I show you first?
The whole caterpillar family.
Okay.
Mommy. Daddy. Dima. Deepa.
Okay. You just make dots in a line, okay? Where do you want your caterpillar? You want it right here?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Hold on.
Okay, now we'll do the brown for that.
No, we're all going to be green.
Oh, we're all green caterpillars? Okay.
Yeah. Do you want to be a green caterpillar or what color do you want to be? You want to be green? Yeah, okay. I think that's a yes.
Well,
Okay.
you just said we'd all be green. Why?
Well, I was giving an option.
You didn't give me an option.
It's not your turn yet.
Oh, so when it's my turn, I can have a brown caterpillar?
If you want.
Okay, that's fantastic.
Mommy.
Oh, look, it's a little baby caterpillar because it's little baby fingers.
Yeah.
He's so cute.
Okay. Do you want another color for your caterpillar?
Oh, no.
No?
Lekin bana देखा तो ना देखा मैं जरा मिष्टी
Oh.
तरफ को
Yeah, paper.
You want this? Okay, this is not paint though. We're going to focus on the paint. Do you want orange? I'm going to do orange. Okay?
What are you doing now?
I'm going to make mine green and orange.
Oh.
See?
When do I make my caterpillar?
When Mishti's done with hers.
Okay.
Okay. Do you want green and pink?
Okay, that's good.
You do it!
Yes.
Okay. Oh no, we need more. Oh dear. Is this one trying out already? Also, this kit is cool because look, it has all of these and refills for them.
There's the refills.
Oh no, we have way more.
We do need more, you're right. Can you see, Mom? Her little finger.
We are done.
One more? Okay. Need one more dot. There we go.
Yes.
All right, now you're gonna help Dad. Can you help Daddy?
Dad, you have to do it.
Yes, I have to do it.
Hold on. Okay.
Yes. I got caterpillar.
Here, here's your brown.
Okay, don't push the button on top.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you, Thomas.
You put yours down here.
Okay. I have to poke, poke, poke,
It's
poke, poke, poke. It's so squishy. I like
It
it.
is.
And wet and squishy.
Like your poop.
I hear it. Mommy, I hear it.
Oh, hold
I
on.
hear it.
Can you smile? Who are we making this for?
Mommy! Daddy!
Yeah. What about Miss Alyssa?
And see, I made it tapered.
Because you're a tapeworm?
No, it just, it starts out big on one end and gets smaller as it
Okay.
proceeds.
Do you want orange with it too?
I'm trying to have accuracy.
Do you want orange or a different color? You want purple?
I want purple because I love purple.
Here, let's help Daddy, okay?
Okay. And I'm going to use my other pointy finger for this part. And I just put it right on top or in between?
Yeah, in between.
In between. In between.
So are you going to have a big head and a small booty caterpillar or a small head and a big booty caterpillar? You made it taper.
This is the head. It's a big head.
Big head, little booty?
Yeah, big head and
That's
little booty.
different from you. Okay.
What? I have a little head and a big booty? What are you saying?
Yeah. Compared to your booty, your head is little.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, Mishti. Okay, we're going to let this dry, okay? Okay, we have to let it dry. We'll come back after some playtime, okay?
Okay, Mishti, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say, what should she say something to the person that's getting this?
Sure.
Yeah, good job,
Say,
Mishti.
Mishti, say this is for you,
I tell you.
Miss Alyssa.
Miss Lisa.
Oh.
Okay, with less hand.
Look at Daddy. Miss Alyssa.
Miss Lisa. Where's that?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Nikki, bye-bye.
Bye, Mom.
Bye.
Here's what it looks like.
Bye.
No.
Mommy, Daddy, baby.
It's a caterpillar family.
I could.
And
Not too bad.
stop.
First time, Haru. This is a good kit.